Can you hear? If you can hear me, please say one on the chat box. If you're coming in, if you can hear me, say one on the chat box. Just say one on the chat box, please. If you can hear me, say one on the chat box. Okay, all right, all right, all right, all right. So, so guys, good morning, guys. If you're coming in, if you can hear me, please say one on the chat box. So let's get this thing started. So I want everybody here who is just coming in here to see what we are looking at and to see exactly what the market is telling us, and also, and you can see at this point, you can see this is just this is just a very clear chart of what I am looking at to see, and you can see how good has been actually doing um playing out, and you can see this was the market open. This was a gap which we expect gold should come and fill at any time soon. And this is what happened last week during there was a massive gap that actually happened in this. Although a lot of us we were looking forward to um we're looking forward to buy from this place so that we're expecting gold should come and cover this gap. But what gold usually did that is this. What gold did was this. Gold did something very, very, very crazy. Okay, no, this was not the gap. This was the gap here. But if you can check most of your empty points here, you can see there was a massive gap here last week when the market opened. Most of like I can tell you that initially a lot of us we were hoping that market will come and clear cover up this gap, but it didn't happen towards the ending of the week, which is last week. And you can see how price sold to this level here and then went up before price could come and cover this gap, but already price did. So I say initially in the current state of the situation right now, we have a lot of things that is going on. We have a lot of things that is going on right now. We really have a lot of things that is going on, and also some people are kind of really skeptical. So I can tell you that for me, what I'm looking at to see in gold right now, I should be looking at for a massive buy to this level. You can see that when the market opens, you can see I marked out this zone. You can see, yeah, I marked out this zone already. You can see when I started buying here. I started buying at this level. But most people will feel like, okay, yes, the market is actually not going the market is actually not going the to the exact place we want, and we also want the market to uh, uh go up to this level. Yes, initially the market will go because why, there is a gap here. I know the gap might not be much, but literally we expect the market to cover up this gap. Initially what we are looking at to come price to cover up this particular price. So we expect a massive buy from gold. But at this point, you should ask yourself what is really happening in the market at this point. What is really happening in the market? You can see Trump has been a pain in the ass. You can see what happened last week. I just hold on, guys. I'm going to show you guys the screen. I'm going to do some analysis on fundamental analysis for you guys to see the manipulation, what happened last week, and what has been happening. And also, you can see at this point already. For me, I'm looking at for a buy. This is a very good entry for a buy. So, guys, if you can buy now, you can go into the market now. You can buy good now, you can buy good now at this point. So already a lot of people has been waiting for price to come back to this level. But for me, I will still see as a very good entry for a buy at this point. If you are in the market, you we let's go buy good right now. Let's go buy good right now if you're in the market. Okay. Let's see. Um, okay. So if you're in the market right now, we can actually go we can actually go for a can actually go for a quick buy on gold. I believe you guys are actually hearing me right now. If you understand what I'm saying, please say one on the chat box. Say one on the chat box if you understand what I'm saying right now. We can communicate. You can drop your emoji so that I should know that, okay, yes, we are actually doing this together. So you can drop your on the chat if you're in the live with me right now. Already, as you can see, I'm already on buying good. I'm buying good at this point. So this was what I was expecting. I was expecting it to work out fine to our way. So okay. So if you're with me, we can buy gold right. You can see we are already buying. I'm going to I'm going to start to okay. As you can see, we're already buying. So alright, so guys, now let me hold on, guys, please. Now stay with me, guys. I'm going to okay. Hold on, guys, just stay with me. So now you can see that you can see what happened last week. What Trump actually did in the market, what he came in to say. Now this thing Trump said last week moved the market. It actually shakes it makes him it actually makes the euro stock usually go like everything went bad. I know a lot of people will be considering that, it's a lie, this thing doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. I can tell you that fundamental people have this mindset that, okay, yes, fundamental doesn't work. Fundamental is a gambling, it's a gambling it's a gambling strategy. But let me make you understand some things about this fundamental you don't understand. During the time Trump was in the president seat, during time when Trump is in the president seat, a lot of people are finding it very difficult to very difficult. You can see, and now you and also more likely to even make more money from Trump administration, because Trump was in our favor. A lot of people were actually buying down the whole. A lot of people were actually looking out to say, okay, yes, this is what's going to happen. This is what might happen. So now let's make a look of this Trump delay. Now Trump delayed 50% UUE tariff until July 9. Now, a lot of people now are powerful man in the world. He has the power to move. He has the power to move, and he has the power. He has the power to move and influence. Let me tell you something. Like now, this is what Trump said. President Donald Trump said that on Sunday that he agreed to delay a 50% tariff on European imports until July 9. The latest instance of Trump declaring an impending tariff through the market is confusion into confusion, only later to well back to the threatening levels. So now what do you guys see regarding this now? Trump is trying to confuse everybody. Everybody now will feel like, oh yes, he wants to do this, he wants to do that. At the end of the day, Trump will not do anything. See what he said here. I know, I know most people will be scared. Most people will be scared. Most people will be most people will be like, Trump has power. Let me tell you something. He said it just to say it's a confusion. Just to confuse the whole market, just to confuse everything, just to confuse people, and also just to manipulate stock, just to manipulate the whole thing here. So you can see, guys, if you guys you can see, guys, if you guys see already, i think i think we're we're still okay. We are still buying good. If you're still in this trade, I think you should be I think you should be in profit now. I know people will be scared to take a trade. I know people will be scared to take the trade. So I'm gonna post it on the group right now. I'm gonna post it. So if you guys are not in the live right now, you can see that we actually in the live. If you're not here, okay, hold on, guys. I think some people are not. I think some people are not actually joining the live. Hold on, guys. Okay, so guys, I know a lot of people. I know people are not actually in the live right now. So guys, like I said, we are expecting a push up. We're expecting the push up already at this zone here. We're expecting price to still go back. We're expecting price to still buy to this level. You can see that we already marked out. We already marked out our zone. We already marked out our zone. We already marked out our zone already. I can see. Okay, let me drop the signal. Okay, so guys, hold on. Okay, so if you guys are asking for the SL and TP, please hold on, guys. The SL and TP is actually on the chart. So this is it. The SL and the TP is actually on the chart. If most of you guys are asking, the SL and TP is actually on the chart. It's actually on the chat right now. I know you can see this is just a Monday trade. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's actually do this live channel. Let's do this. So if you're actually here, we are actually looking out for a buy. We're looking out to see what price we do up to this level. And you can see last week was been a very big, like it was actually a very big loss for us. And when then we are still trying to get back to our feet, and we're still going to see if we're going to hold this trade to a particular level. We expect price to see come. We still expect price to actually break this high. You can see what price has been doing here, because why? Because there is a gap at this level. So guys, if you're not with us, I guess you're missing out. If you're not with us, I guess you're missing out. So I want you guys to see it. If you guys are actually hearing me, I want you guys to see it. We're looking at to see that we can buy go to this level. So guys, if you guys are with me this morning, and let's make this money. So guys, how do you guys feel that we should be? Do you guys want us to be doing this every morning? if you want us to be doing the live every morning, please, if you want us to be doing the live every morning, please can you say I can every morning, one on the chat box. If you want us to be doing this every morning, so that every morning we should be having this these what they call this live trading, like this live section together, for us to see the market in our own point of view, for us to you understand. So if you want us to be doing this every morning, we should be doing this every morning. We should be doing this every morning, right? Chat box, please. One on the chat box. If you want us to be doing this every morning, one on the chat box every morning. Every morning, please. If you want us to be doing this every morning, say one on the chat box. Let's come and make money and go. Let's come and make money and go. How do you guys see this? How do you guys see this? Let's come and make money. Let's come and make money and go. So you understand. So this is something that I think that we should be doing. We should be doing every morning. Every morning, every morning, every morning, every morning, every morning. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is you. I really appreciate you guys for doing this, and also I think, like I said, the every morning actually works. So every morning by 9 a.m. we're gonna be having the live stream section. But as it is right now, we are still gonna be buying gold. Like it is, we are buying gold right now. We still want to make you understand that. Okay, fine. So I'm not gonna be dropping. I'm not gonna be saying buy or sell on a Telegram group. I am gonna be doing the live section every day, so that we can go into the market. We can make money. We can make money, and then we can smile. So guys, don't like I said, next week will be NFP. So I want you guys should not miss this NFP that we're gonna be having. It's gonna be live here. I'm gonna be posting. Also, I'm gonna be hosting live section here. Yeah. So guys, I want you guys to still hold on to this trade. If you're still buying, hold on to the trade, and let's make money. Hold on to the trade. Hold on to the trade. Let's make money, guys. If you guys are still buying, so hold on, guys. Let me share. Let me hold on, guys. Okay. So if you guys can see, we're still actually on this trade. So we're expecting price to still go back. We're still expecting price to go back up. We're expecting price to give us to this particular level. So if you guys are with us, you can we can do this. We can do this together. We can do this together, guys. Is the SL is actually set on the chart. Make use of the SL. Make use of. You can see this is the SL. If you guys are asking for the SL, this is the SL. This is the SL here. You can see this is the SL. I out for you guys to see. You understand? So this is not just. So this is how I take my trade, and this is how I want it to be like. So I want you guys to see that. Okay, yes, this is how I trade. You understand? So if you guys are still waiting, so let's do this. Uh, okay, let's hold on, guys. So guys, so don't for those people that are not here. So I want you guys. I Okay, see, guys, like I said, the TP and SL is on the chart already and it's been shared to your screen. So take advantage of it. And I believe that's all. So I want you guys to make use of. I'm going to send the chat to the. I'll send the chat uh to the channel. Send the chat to the channel. Let's make it. All right. All right. So guys, I believe that's all for today. So we're gonna be having this. live trading section regularly, and I want you guys to take advantage of this. I want you guys to take advantage of this pattern that we're going to be doing. We are going to be having a live trading section every morning, every morning, and then we're going to be um trust me. I think if we're going to be doing this in every morning, we actually need to be very, 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 very vigilant. So, guys, don't forget to make use of our recommended broker, which is CWG Market. They have one of the best spread and also one of the best trade execution. And I want you guys to know that we are actually one of the best brokerage firm in Nigeria right now. You can see in terms of our spread and everything. So we have a different account sizes and also leverages and all that. So guys, I want you guys to take advantage of this and let's make money this week. So guys, we are actually on this, and then let's get this thing done. All right. So let's get it done, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, so okay, I'm going to send the TP. I'm going to send the TP and the SL together. Please, since you guys since you guys said that you're not seeing it, so hold on, guys. I'm going to send it to you on the channel. So if you're on the channel, please stay tuned, and I'm going to send it to you guys. So I believe that's all for today. So I really appreciate you guys for your time and your time and effort, and I think it's about time for me to go. So, guys, I'm going to see you guys. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, same time by 9. I think I said at 9 a.m., but I actually we did it a little bit late today because I was a little bit over. I was really like I was over exhausted rather because last night I was actually working, so I worked through this morning. So